Canva is a fantastic graphic design tool, ideal for both beginners and experienced designers. To get started, simply create a free account at canva.com. The homepage offers a wide array of templates for various projects, from social media posts and presentations to posters and more. You can choose a pre-made template or start with a blank canvas. Once you've made your selection, you can customize every element. Click on text, images, or graphics to edit their fonts, colors, sizes, and positions. The left-hand menu lets you add new elements, including a vast library of free stock photos, illustrations, and icons. You can even upload your own images to personalize your designs. Canva's text editing tools allow you to experiment with different fonts and effects to make your text pop. When your design is complete, easily download it in various formats like JPG, PNG, or PDF. For those seeking more advanced features, Canva Pro unlocks a larger selection of templates, stock photos, and tools like background removal. Explore the Design Elements library, use the search bar to find specific visuals, and play around with different color palettes. Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes the entire design process a breeze, empowering anyone to create stunning visuals.